Spirit boosting time. Spirit boosting time. Spirit boosting time. Spirit boosting time. Welcome. Hey, Spirit Boosters. Welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody doing well. Well, if you made it back today, thank you, thank you, thank you. Look it loose, pass it by, trolleys. Hey, you folks that got the courage, the nerve, you're brave. Thank you for coming back. And don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. Why? I don't know. Just hit it anyway. But anyway, I got just a small little share of some groceries. I'm just going to share because that's what it's about. Some little groceries. Not much of nothing. Probably ain't even worth sharing. Just came through to say hello. Trying to keep the channel, I don't know, alive. I don't know. More happy being on the other channels than, you know, coming through, because I'm not gonna have groceries. Like, I guess my channel was saying I got groceries every day. Since I changed my diet, I can't have groceries every day because I'm eating differently, more vegetables and fruit, stuff like that. But since the monkey pop, I ain't buying no fresh fruits and vegetables. I'm getting kind of frozen, and hopefully that's cool, because I'm gonna boil it to death in some hot water or stir it in a hot skillet, and hopefully destroy all the infectious juice that was been on there. That could be on there. Okay, you guys, as far as prepper news, they still talking the same thing. Like I did share in my previous video that Walmart was out of a lot of things, especially my milk and stuff. But other stores had that milk, but it cost a fortunes. Vaughn's, it's a store. Is it Vaughn's, Albertson, and they on that milk, it's like $8, I believe. That is ridiculous. So you know, if the milk go up any higher, I won't be drinking it. That's fine, cause hey, nowadays I'm probably just gonna eat a pea, a kernel, and a crumb, and just drink my water. Y'all say that's very extreme. Yeah, because it might be extreme, but sometimes I don't even feel like chewing if I could. But anyway, what I'm trying to tell y'all. Oh, I seen on a news article, they said that the price of chicken gonna go up more because they did something going on where somebody merged some company or whatever they did, or some regulation was approved. So they saying that the chicken gonna be more. Because I was asking my husband to find me some chicken thighs at the grocery store, which they have some, but I refuse to pay $8 for a pack of chicken thigh. Where are the quarters? Because I was going to say, hey, give me the thigh and the leg. They don't even have that in the pack no more. I don't know what the heck going on. But chicken, the legs and the thighs, they cost too much. That's food for less, y'all. Food for less. It's supposed to be cheap. And they selling chicken thighs $8. I don't think so. I won't be buying those chicken thighs or those chicken legs. I did break down and got some wings from Wally World, but like I said, I thought it was $13. Food sold me a $15 pack, which I am stretching those because I'm chopping the meat up in sections. So yeah, I have me a little broiled piece of meat with plenty veggies. So I got broccoli and stuff, you know, frozen vegetables that I'm gonna have with it. Now I am so disappointed that we got this infectious diseases all around us, and I don't feel comfortable about buying certain food in the store. So that's affecting my dang diet, because hey, right now I'm trying to regulate me a diet where I can eat without worrying about affecting my health. You know, I got to regulate things. I have to plan my diet where I can feel satisfied at the same time, you know, happy with what I'm putting in my mouth, because I want some flavor. I don't want just bland food. So yeah, I've been trying different spices and herbs and stuff like that. And I found that turmeric is really, really good. Turmeric and stuff like that. Garlic powder, onion powder, some hot chili flakes. By the time I'm finished, yes, I will. Well, this is not my first rodeo, but since the last time, since the last time, I have learned how to use more of the spices and the herbs and stuff like that. Now, to my surprise, I got a rosemary still alive on the balcony. That's not the first time I have kept a rosemary alive for this amount of time. My first one is in my old playlist on my gardening list, that I have a big old bushy rosemary. I even gave her a birthday, but she didn't survive. I don't know what I did wrong. Probably had no business moving her and bothering her, because you know that type of plant, rosemary, fresh plant, a live plant, they like to be tightly bundled in their plant pot. So remember that tip. Come on over to the gardening channel if you want more tips and info about your gardening. Yes, I'm a novice. Yes, I'm experimenting. Yes, my experiences with plants are coming through. I'm doing better. Now, come and watch the videos. If you haven't subscribe to that channel. I'm also over there on my crafting channel, making things happen, creating stories while I create my crafts. Now, you know, I'm telling seasonal stories right now. I'm doing a little Halloweenish stories. Soon it'll be some Thanksgiving stories. And then it'll be some BS stories. Who knows? I'm just making this stuff up. Okay? So you're welcome. Come through. Enjoy yourself with Miss JENITA on her channels. Come through. And if you want to donate anything to me, remember I got a PayPal. And hey, maybe even a Patreon channel one day. And I only want $5 for y'all to come and see Miss JENITA do what? Be sillier and talk more BS. Well, BS for real. What do y'all think about that idea? Don't answer that question. This is just something, I'm just being silly. It's spirit boosting time. Okay, y'all. I'm going to turn around so y'all can see these little groceries. Hope y'all all doing well. Staying safe from the infectious diseases. And if you in a state where they say New York have to do bug out bags or whatever, if y'all find that to be true, then let me know in the comment section. And in your state, if you haven't seen it, if you're seeing things that aren't comfortable, or you have concerns about, please share that in the comments. Now let me show y'all these little groceries. What I tell you, ain't nothing of much of nothing. Now my husband, he got this from what, Food for Less. Like I tell you, y'all see Kroger. Food for Less is a company like the sister or the cousin of Kroger. But anyway, I asked my husband to give me some frozen okra. He must didn't have his glasses on, because look what he got me, y'all. Look what he got me. Breaded cut okra. Now, I'm not eating that. If I had knew they had breaded cut okra, I would have been 100 pounds even heavier, because that would have been so good on fish fry Fridays. My husband still have his fish fry Fridays. Me, on the other hand, I have baked fish on Fridays. Yes, and it's tasty. So he bought 2 bags of breaded cut okra. He gonna eat that, because right now Miss JENITA ain't eating that kind of stuff. And he also got him some beef tamales, because he throwing it down, chili beef tamales with his chili corn chips. He liked that. I liked it too, but I can't have that right now. And then also got some cut leaf spinach. He got that chopped leaf spinach. Well, okay. 2 bags of that, and there go the other bag of the breaded cut okra. If y'all ever had breaded cut okra before, let me know in the comments. How did y'all like it? Did it turn out crispy? Was it tasty? Was it overly salty? Did it satisfy your tongue, your taste buds? Let me know. But y'all, I got to go, because I got the cleaning to do. I got creating to do. I got gardening to do. I got to be with my husband, my family. It's my husband. I got a good husband. He loves me. Why you say it like that? Because I was getting soft. But he loved me. And I love my husband. He a good husband. Okay, I'm about to go and take care of my business. Y'all stay in survival mode and stay prepared for anything, especially these infectious diseases. Bye, y'all. It's spirit boosting time. Spirit boosting time. Spirit boosting time.